Okay, here we now going to calculate moment of inertia. Okay, when we derive that time sa una, remember katong point mass, diba? Natay katong ana no na point mass dire of mass m and radius and distance r. We set I equals mr squared. Actually, this is the moment of inertia of a point mass rotated about the origin. Now, whenever we calculate moment of inertia, we always imagine rotating the object with respect to a given pivot point. And usually our pivot point is at the origin. Okay, but not always. But of course, the easiest way to solve this is that we set our pivot point at the origin. Nakuha? So, mao ni atong magamit in order to calculate for moments of inertia. Okay, the first is calculate the moment inertia of a ring. I ring, E ring. Okay? So what is the ring? Okay, this is the ring. Okay, asa nato i-rotate ang ring? I-rotate nato sa center. Of course, we can rotate the ring anywhere. Paani, no? Pwede po nato siya paana ba? Pwede po na siya. Lahi po na siya dira. Pero atong rotation is paana, no? Paana. Ang center na adire. Basta na adira sa tunga ang center. Okay? Okay. Focus. Distract, bandayin mo. Okay. So, unsay buhaton nato? Gamito nato ni siya. At a point on the ring. Now here we have to use the polar coordinates. Okay? Well, sayo na kayo ni, pwede na nato ni siya iana dira. This point here, the moment of inertia of that small point, let's call that di. And that di is equal to m. What is the mass of that? The total mass of the ring is m. So sa ato pa, this has, let's just call this to have dm, no, times r squared. Pwede na actually ni siya diretso, no? Diretsohon, pwede na ni siya dm r squared. Pero, much better is that we imagine this. This is a line, right? I mean, a ring is just a line in a small, whenever pag gamyon kayo ni mo, tama? Now, if this is of mass m and of radius r, sa ato pa na ay ginatawag nga linear mass density ang ring. What is that linear mass density? That is the mass per unit length. What is the total length of the ring? 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r, radius r man eh. So that the linear mass density is just the total mass divided by 2 pi r. Right? So that, tanawin mo na siya. Okay? Pwede na siya nga 2 pi capital R. Or m now equals lambda or 2 pi lambda R. But notice nga ato ni siyang i-magnify, i-zoom out nato. Unsay makita nato? Natay ana, tama? This is a line. Approximately a line, right? What's the length of this? That length is, naana siya angle theta nga diba, makuan. So this will subtend an angle of, we call that, this angle, that very small angle there, ato na siyang ipadako, that very small, akong klarohon na atong exaggerate na lang diri. So natay ana, right? Mao ni siya. it will subtend an angle of d theta. So sa ato pa, the mass of this one, this small element, dm, is equal to what? Lambda times d, lambda times r d theta, right? That's the length, r d theta. Lambda is the mass density. From here, say mana na to, di now is equal to dm lambda r d theta. Okay? Sorry. R squared. Pero ang lambda nato kay kaniman, tama? So this is just equal to unsa na siya? M r squared over 2 pi, tama? D theta. Right? To get now our I, we have to integrate. Start from 0 to tanan, 2 pi. So integrate from 0 to 2 pi of constant man m r squared over 2 pi d theta. So this is just theta, 2 pi. So as you can see, the I ring now is equal to m r squared. Okay? Okay, now let's calculate the moment of inertia of a disk. Now, asa ang rotation? Katong ano ha? Katong diri ha? Paana ba? Di na ako ibutang ang kamot dira kay lain tanawon. So, paana, no? Asa ang rotation kani? Kana, nakuha? Lahi pod mo agmoana na siya. Okay? Masabtan? Now, daghan kay possible rotation. Kani, i-rotate nimo diri nga axis, pwede na siya moana. Pag diri ang axis of rotation, mao nang importante ang direction sa k ang torque, di ba? Or angular momentum. Wala dito kanog paana dira. Pwede pod nga ang yang rotation paani diri, tama? Iana nimo siya dira. Asa siya gi-rotate somewhere, di ba? Pag diri nimo siya i-rotate, iana nimo siya diri, sumuon siya sa mo. Okay, moana. Okay? Now, let's calculate the moment inertia of a disk. Di pa ginawa, perfect ang circle hanto drone. Okay. This is of radius r and total length m. How do we calculate this? I'll do this in two ways. Let's take a differential mass dira. Gamay siya. Ibig sabihin, ang kaning whole disk, ato siyang i-divide into squares. Right? So, this square has an area dA. And that is equal to dx times dy. What is the total mass m? Sa ato pa, natay ginatawag nga sigma, the areal surface mass density. Okay, which is the total mass divided by the total area. This is m. What is the total area? Pi r squared. Okay? So that, okay, what is the moment of inertia at this? Let's take this to be at some r, right? So the moment of inertia of that di is equal to what? Dm, the mass of this, differential mass of that, times r squared, right? But what is r squared? This is dm. What is r squared? This is x squared plus y squared, right? The x and the y. Okay? But what is dm now? dm is the mass of that. So sa ato pa, dm is equal to sigma times dx dy. Sigma dA, right? Sigma dA. So this must be equal to m over pi r squared dx dy. This means that di now becomes capital M atong gamiton ha. M over pi r squared times x squared plus y squared dx dy. So that our I now becomes the double integral of this. We have dx dy. Now, the problem with double integral is ang kaning limit, ani. First, let's integrate y first. Una na itong integrate ang y and then dx. Okay? What is the limit for y? We start with this function, meaning y start from this function up to that function. So, ang limit sa y, dili constant, function. Right? So, it starts from negative what? Negative, what is the equation of this circle? X squared plus y squared equals capital R squared, tama? So, this is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So, this meaning negative square root of r squared minus x squared up to positive square root of that. Ang atong x is from dito gikan minus x to positive minus r to positive r. All right. Okay? Pag volume na, mahimo pa ng triple integral. Okay? So, I think kabalo mo ana, no? Sa integral calculus. Isa ra yung nabalang integral? Isa ra kawate? Well, ano lang na siya? Integrate ang first in y, pero okay, dili na ako ni siya dili na ako ni siya ipadayon. But I want you to find to know how to solve this. It's not my job to teach you double integrals. Ako dapat nahuman na siya sa calculus ninyo. Appeal na siya gyud. Double and triple integration. Pag wala na siya na-appeal because of some time constraints, then it's your responsibility. Wala man mo mabuhat, wala man mo choice. Di mo pwede mo reklamo. Unya, di pwede mo adjust. Right? So, ibig sabihin, kamoy maning kamot. Ana ra na siya. No? Kaya kung sige kag reklamo, wala man gud mi ana. Sumunang di ko ka-solve. Unya, ikaw gyapon kaluoy, right? So, you learn. But there's a easy way to do this because we can, in many times, we can convert a multiple integration into a single integral using previous result. Mao nang ipakita sa inyo ha. Di na ako ni siya i-solve because this is not complicated. This is not actually complicated to solve. Only it will take time. Okay? So, dili na ako this is one of the easy integrals. Naagi uban nga lisod gyud mga integrals. And ani di I would ask everyone to learn how to set up dili sayo naman ang double integral o triple integral. Kabalo ka mo integrate og isa, ma-integrate na nimo na siya tanan. Meaning integrating in y here first means you treat x as constant. Nakuha? So, mura kag naa ka isa ka integral, right? Pag na-substitute na nimo ang limit sa y, integrate na dayon nimo ang x. Pero ang lisod man gud ang pag-set up sa integral kani. Pag-identify sa limit, mao gyud ang lisod. And especially sometimes, unsa may unahon nako? Because there are times nga it will be a lot easier pag unahon nimo ang isa ka variable pag-integrate than the other. Kaning limits na kani, because the limits now becomes a function. Dapat ang last is mao na tong constants. Okay? Mao na inyong because when we reach electric field, magnetic field dito, heavy integration to siya dito. Nakuha? So, this is not difficult to integrate. If you know the process of integration, if you know single integral, you can always integrate a double integral. But what is more difficult is setting these limits. Diha mo sulod ang analysis. Because the integration is just a process. But pagkabalo mo set up sa area manggod, area integral, I'm sure nakaabot mo area, right? O, Riemann integral. Okay, now ang buhaton nato is let's replace this 1 and instead let's use our result on the ring to integrate this. Ibig sabihin, ang disk himuon nato og rings. Mukuha ta og arbitrary ring. Part sa disk, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, kani nga ring, ani na yung itsura, no? Nasyay certain, okay? Mo nang ring. Now, that ring is of radius R. Of course, ang total is capital R. Since the ring is inside this, it's a small r. R is a variable. R is arbitrary here. In fact, R is a function of x, y. But, okay? Atong buhaton ani, if this is R, unsay width ani, let's call that width. Pag imo nang putlon ang ring diri, no, and then assuming nga ma-stretch nimo, it will be a strip, tama? Right? The length is 2 pi r, and the width now is dr. Let's assume that to be dr. Kay naama na diri, right? Mo yung dr, right? dr. Okay? So, what is the sigma of this? The surface mass density or area mass density? That is the total mass. Let's assume this to be dm, right? The mass of this is dm. Ang whole is capital M, right? The mass of this is dm. So man kamo ipasolve ani? Oh, please listen. Kadungog ko sa inyo pang storya. Ngayon nakatawa man mo dira. Okay? Murag lingaw man kay mo. Malingaw gid mo ani sa exam tanaw na to. Okay, katong inyong first quiz kay sayo na rabe to. Okay. So this is dm over what's the area? This small area. Kana siya. Well, the area is just 2 pi r dr, tama? That is now sigma. So sa ato pa, but what is sigma, by the way? Sigma, this is the small of the ring, but since sigma is constant, bisag unsa ka gamay imong kuan or unsa ka dako, when you calculate the density, it's the same, right? So sigma is also equal to the m over 2 pi r. Pi r squared, tama? Right? Right? Okay. So that dm now is equal to m, cancel ang kani. So you have now m over 2 r over r squared, tama? r dr. M over 2. So that our I now becomes di, which is dm times r squared. This is dm times r squared, right? Mo man atong ganihang nako na ring, di ba? Unsay ano sa ring? mr squared. Small man dire. Okay? So, what do we now have here is that I is equal to the integral of, okay, m r cubed over 2r squared. Tama? R cubed na siya. dr. Asa taga-integrate? Gasugod ta when the ring is 0r, hantod sa ring nga r. Meaning we're integrating from 0 to capital R. And okay, so this is much easier to integrate. This is m over 2r squared, the integral of r cubed dr, which would give us 0 to r, which would give us m over 2r squared r 4 to the 4. Tama? 0 to r. For 0, 0 siya. So sa ato pa, this is just equal to m r, substitute this is r4 over 2r squared, in which we now have the disk cancel. 1/2 m r squared. Mo na itong ginagamit na dati ba, right? So, katong ganiha, you have to work on that. Show katong ganihang double integral dire. Mulid siya to this. Okay? Okay? So, this is much easier solution, right? By using previous results. Okay? Now, let's calculate the moment of inertia of a stick. Duha na siya atong i-calculate. First is naa diri ang pivot point. This is number 1. The second is naa diri sa center ang number 2. No, diri ang pivot point. Let's do this one first. Dire. So asa nato siya ipatuyok, paani dire or pwede gyapon paano dito, pareho ra man, right? Walay difference. Okay? So let this to be R or L na lang. So unsay buhaton nato, mukuha ta og gamay dire, right? So kanang gamay na pag ato nang i-zoom out, unsa ba, zoom out, zoom in. Zoom in, no? Natay ana, no? Unsay mass ana? Nani siya linear mass density which is equal to the total mass given ang total mass M ani, right? This is M over L. Okay? And this is now equal to M over L must be equal to unsa ni siya? Let's call this dx, right? Dx. So this is now dm, the mass of this must be equal to dm, the differential mass. So dm over dx. So again, the moment of inertia of the specific point is just equal to di is equal to what? Dm times this distance here, x, right? Dm times x squared. So that I now is equal to the integral. What is dm? Okay, dm now is equal to m over L. So m over L is constant. The integral of x squared dx. Right? Sakto ba? Yeah. What is our integration? From 0 to L. And this is easy to integrate. This is m over L times x cubed over cube. So sa ato pa, unsa may mahitabuan eh. X cubed over 3. So natay, this is 1/3 ml ml squared, right? So I is equal to 1/3 ml squared. O nakakay over 3 dire. Okay, shortcut na ako na to buy us some time. Kinapatay discuss karon. Okay? Now, how about for number 2? Sa center na ako gi-kuan. So, pag sa center na ako gi-evaluate ang pivot point, meaning na siya dire, no? So, ato gihapon ni siya dire, let's call this x again. Maura gihapon ang process, right? Walay na change. Walay na change. So, my I now would be still m over L integral of x squared dx. Maura magyapon, right? Pero atong limit now is from minus L over 2 to L over 2. As I've said, we set the 0 at as the pivot point. So, diri na magmatter karon ang limit. Okay? So, this integration now is m over L times, unsa ni siya? L cube over 3 minus plus L cube over 3. Tama? Times up. Nakapad ay ano? L over 2 man, no? 2 cube. Basta, wait, ato isa-isahon. This is x cube over 3, integral from L over 2 to L over 2. So, saan may tabuan eh? So, that is now m over 3L times L cube over 2, ano? This is 8. Tama? Minus, negative, so plus na. L cube over 8. So, this is 24. Tama? 24 2 over 24 is 1 over 12. So I now is equal to 1 over 12 ml squared. Okay. Okay.